Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove silent mode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and the first thing that I recommend you to do is to take your device in hand and then check that silent mode button at the left edge of your device, just above volume up button. That's actually volume up, that's volume down, and that is silent mode button. You can toggle this button in two different positions. You can toggle it in back position and in front position. Front means towards you when you when you holding your device in hand, and once you turn this button back, it says that silent mode is now active, and if you turn it towards to you, it says that silent mode is now off. Then you need to try the next thing that may cause problems with ringing calls or getting sound from text messages. So just make a swipe from top right corner to open up the control center, and right here at a focus button it says do not disturb. You may have right here another focus mode enabled. You can identify that focus mode is enabled because that icon is highlighted with white color. So you should toggle off any focus modes except the main one. So just hit right here and then just disable the focus mode. So now, as you can see, none of that four focus modes are highlighted. So that means that focus modes toggled off, and also you can identify it by saying focus right here. That may help you in most of the situations, but in some cases you need to move on to the next step. So just get into settings, then sounds and haptics, and right here make sure that ringtone and alert volume are turned to high level of sound, just like that, or maybe at maximum level, because if that thing turned right here to the very left position, you wouldn't be able to get sound calls and text messages notifications. So you can just move it to the very right position. And also you can go back to the control center and increase or decrease that sound bar. You can move it up to set maximum volume level, just like that, in that simple way. After that, you should try to get a phone call, and then you can write down in the comments below if this video was helpful for you or not. Also, I recommend you to check out my other iPhone tutorials videos. You can easily find their playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.